Hey folks, it's Seb by the Real Estate Guy here with your Aptos Real Estate Market Update for September 2014. September. It's my absolute favorite time of the year in Aptos. Warm, sunny days with just a touch of fog in the morning. September also means that school is back in session. And speaking of school, my firstborn son Aiden here, say hi Aiden, just enrolled in Mar Vista as a kindergartner, and I have joined the Mar Vista Parents Club, which is our version of the PTA. Now this year we're doing a new fundraiser, which is a readathon, and we're looking for local businesses to sponsor classrooms. So if you are interested in getting some exposure for your business and winning new lifelong customers, please get a hold of me. I'll give you all the details. So how is the Aptos real estate market doing now that the peak selling season is drawing to a close? The median price for single-family homes in Aptos in August 2014 was $721,500. That's up just a tiny bit, up about 1.6% from a year ago, when the median price was $720,000. It is, however, a decrease of 12% from the month before, because in July, the median price in Aptos was $820,000. Sales volume, too, was a bit low, with just 24 homes having sold in Aptos in August. Now, that's down about 33% from a year ago, because in August a year ago, 36 homes closed escrow. Although few homes sold, the ones that did sell sold quickly in an average of just 45 days on market and for 97.89% of full asking price. Inventory remains low as there are just 70 homes on the market today, and of those, 32 are presently under contract, which works out to a bit more than a 3-month supply of single-family homes. Still very much a seller's market. When it comes to condos and townhouses, just 7 closed escrow in August for a median price of $420,000. Now that's up 9% from a year ago when the median price was $385,000. Condos sold in an average of 93 days on market. But that number is skewed by one of the sales, a fabulous unit in Seascape Resort that sold for $855,000 but took 479 days to sell. Now there are presently 44 condos on the market with 13 under contract and 31 available for sale, which pencils out to about a 3.5-month supply of condos and townhouses. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you ever want to talk about the Aptos real estate market, go ahead, give me a call. My number is here at the bottom of the screen. It's 831-704-6873. If email is more your bag, go ahead, drop me an email. It's broker@realtyvirtuoso.com. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful fall. I'll be in touch.